Hello, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Sidra Rahman. And today I created this beautiful look with the using of all Wet n Wild product. Want to know how I create this beautiful and pretty look? Please subscribe my channel and click the like button if you like the video and keep watching. I'm starting with my base. For that I am using Wet n Wild Cover Oil Primer. This primer is so it's good for winter because it have a moisturizing property and it feels soft after applying it. Concealer, I am using this Photo Focus concealer, and this concealer is such an awesome concealer that I love. For priming my lid, I am using same concealer. For blending my concealer, I am using this brush. For setting my lid, I am using this powder. Eyeshadow, I'm using this palette. It is Wet n Wild Rose and Air palette. It have like this shades. This warmer shade with this shade in my crease. This flat brush and taking this brown shade all over my lid. Pigmentation is awesome without wetting any brush. It's literally, I love it. I'm taking same brush and blend the edges. Pencil brush and taking same dark brown shade with it, placing this here. And blend the edges carefully. That Photo Focus foundation in color golden beige. It have a spatula and dotting all over my face. this sponge to blend the For set my face, I'm using this powder. Pencil brush and mixing these two shades together and applying this lower lash line. This shade more and blending the crease. It is in color nude. To fill my eyebrows. This darker brown a little bit to fill this sparse area. This contouring palette in shade Caramel Toffee. I'm using this shade shade. Because I don't have a mascara from Wet n Wild, I'm using this Rimmel extra lash mascara. For I have two shades.